Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine and staying at home. So once again today I am here, Dinesh Chaurasia. So I'll start the topic motion for class 9 physics. Okay. So I have chosen why this chapter 3 motion. Some part is left with chapter 1 vernier calipers and screw gauge. I know because I don't have vernier calipers and screw gauge here. As you know the problem, we are at home. So as soon as I am able to manage the vernier calipers and screw gauge, I will be uploading some videos on that also. For today, we will start for motion. So, if any object is changing its frame of reference every time or every second, the object is called in motion. कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट मोशन में है या नहीं है, यानी कि वो अपनी पोजीशन कंटिन्यूअस बदल रहा है किसी भी फिक्स्ड फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरेंस के थ्रू, देन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड इन मोशन. ओके, वी विल नॉट गो इनटू द डीप ऑफ इट. द फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन आई वुड टेक विल बी डिस्टेंस एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. डिस्टेंस क्या होती है और डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या होती है, लिसन केयरफुली. लाइक इफ वी आर गोइंग थ्रू फ्रॉम माई हाउस टू द स्कूल थ्रू दिस वे. This is my house, A point, we went to B point, then again C point, then D point, then here is our school at E point. Okay, so this distance AB plus BC plus CD plus DE will be the distance of from point A to E, total distance. But if we talk about displacement, displacement is the shortest distance between 2 points, or we can say the perpendicular distance between 2 points will be called displacement. Okay, so from point A to point E we will have one straight line, and this distance, this line is called the displacement between 2 points. What is the difference between distance and displacement? Distance is a scalar quantity and displacement is a vector quantity. Now you will ask what is distance, what is vector quantity and what is scalar quantity. So it is very easy. A scalar quantity has only magnitude but not the direction. But in vector quantity, we will have direction as well as the magnitude. Okay, so many examples are there. Like if we talk about 5 kilogram potato, so do we have any direction there? No. If we talk about 5 kilometer, we don't have any direction in that. But if we say 5 kilometer due east, 5 kilometer due north, हम नॉर्थ की साइड में या ईस्ट की साइड में 5 किलोमीटर जा रहे हैं, देन इट इज कॉल्ड डिस्प्लेसमेंट, एंड वी हैव डायरेक्शन एज वेल एज वी हैव 5 किलोमीटर. दिस इज क्वांटिटी. सो वी हैव डायरेक्शन आल्सो एंड वी हैव मैग्नीट्यूड आल्सो. सो इट इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. एंड वी टॉक अबाउट 5 kg पोटैटो, वी डोंट हैव एनी डायरेक्शन. ओके, सो मेनी एग्जांपल्स आर देयर, यू कैन टेक फ्रॉम योर बुक्स. And because I have to make this video a bit short also, because we are facing some problems, some technical problems to upload it. So we have discussed about motion, yes, displacement, distance, and what is velocity. See, velocity is distance per unit time. How many meters or how many kilometers you are going per unit time, per second, per hour, per minute. This is called the velocity. Okay, and now we have one more term, acceleration. Velocity we have written, and if we have to get the unit of velocity, we will write unit of distance upon unit of time. And unit of distance we all know, fundamental units, remember that, meter, and unit of time is second. So it will be meter per second, and this is written as meter second power minus 1. So this is the unit of velocity. Now if we go through acceleration, what is it? We all have used in our bikes, that point is called accelerator, which increases or decreases the velocity of ours. So if we are doing this, we are accelerating the object, that means we are increasing the speed, or if we are applying the brakes, we are decreasing the velocity. Okay, by applying brakes we are decreasing the velocity, that is called retardation, and by taking this acceleration we increase the velocity. So acceleration's definition is rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. So if we take an initial velocity as u, final velocity as v, then v minus u, and to get the velocity from u to v, to reach the velocity from u to v, from less velocity to more velocity, then difference we will have v minus u, and if we divide this difference of velocity by t, then it is called acceleration. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. So if we talk about unit of acceleration, velocity minus velocity, we will have velocity only. So we will write unit of velocity upon unit of time. Unit of velocity is what? Meter per second. Meter per second, and unit of time is what? Second. So meter upon second into second. So meter upon second square, that is meter per second square. Okay. This is all about acceleration. This is all about velocity, motion, distance, and displacement. Now, and vector quantity and scalar quantity, don't forget. So many examples are there. You please search from the books that which quantities are scalar, which quantities are vector. Now, one more very important thing. Now we have a term, or we have three equations of motion. What are they? V is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, and v square is equal to u square plus 2as. We have three equations of motions. These equations are given by Newton, and these three are very important in this. Listen carefully. We have u is equal to initial velocity, v is equal to final velocity, t we all know time, s we have displacement, and a we have acceleration. Okay, u, v, t, s, a. So these are the symbols, that means the physical quantities. U initial velocity, v final velocity, t time, s displacement, and a acceleration. And these three equations are very important. We have to remember it. You all please practice these three equations. And we have proof of it also. How to derive these three equations? Listen very carefully. First equation, v is equal to u plus at, you can very easily derive. I have told you acceleration a is equal to v minus u upon t. Acceleration is rate of change of velocity. So if we cross multiply, we will get at is equal to v minus u, or v is equal to u plus at. This is the first equation of motion. Okay. And because we had final velocity v and initial velocity u, if we talk about average velocity, we will have v plus u upon 2. This is average velocity. Okay. So displacement will be velocity into time. Displacement will be velocity into time. So we have average velocity v plus u upon 2, and time will be t. So now s is equal to v plus u upon 2 into time. Okay. So in place of v, we can write u plus at plus u upon 2 into t. So we can write 2u plus at upon 2 upon t s. So 2s is equal to 2ut plus at square, or you can write upon 2 upon 2. S is equal to ut, 2 cancel, plus half at square. This is second equation of motion. Listen. Now go for the third equation. As we have told you, displacement s is equal to speed into time, velocity into time. So v plus u upon 2, this average velocity we will take into time, s is equal to. Now v plus u upon 2, we have time t. With the help of this v is equal to u plus at, v minus u is equal to at, and t will be v minus u upon a. So this we can put in place of t, v minus u upon a. S is equal to v square minus u square by the help of a plus b, a minus b, that is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. upon 2a cross multiply 2as is equal to v square minus u square, or v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So these are the proofs of these three equations of motion. They are very important, very useful for solving the numericals. So please remember it, please practice it, please note it down, and see you soon. We'll come back. Okay, thank you so much.